The Chipex paint touch-up system is a revolutionary, easy-to-use alternative to touch-up sticks or expensive smart repairs. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how the system works by repairing the road rash on this 5 Series BMW. The first step in the process is to completely clean the area to be worked on. A good tip here is to use a small amount of blending solution to finish the cleaning process. This ensures that there is no residue from wax or car shampoo. Always remember to wear the gloves provided in the kit when working with chemicals or paint. Next, we can apply the special Chipex paint. Remember to shake the paint before use. Using the applicator provided in the Chipex kit, apply a small amount of paint to each chip. Then press on the paint lightly with your finger, or simply leave a blob. When you have applied the paint to the chips in which you wish to repair, allow the paint approximately 1 to 2 minutes to begin to dry. For a larger blob of paint, this can be increased to around 10 minutes. The length of the time required will vary depending on how deep the chip is and how much paint has been applied. Additionally, there's no requirement for a separate lacquer coat, as this is specially built into the paint. Our next step is to apply the Chipex blending solution to the treated areas. Pour a small amount of the blending solution onto the blue buff-on cloth provided in the Chipex kit and wrap it around the foam black provided. Gently buff over the treated areas. You do not need to apply any downward pressure. Simply lightly buff the area. When you're finished applying the blending solution to the treated areas of the car, repeat the process with the polish and the polishing cloth contained in the Chipex kit. Having polished this BMW, you can now see the results achievable using the Chipex system. You can see what a difference there is from before we began to finishing the job less than 30 minutes later. The Chipex kit contains everything you'll need to professionally repair the paintwork on your car. And with 150,000 colors available, we can achieve an exact paint match. Chipex, the revolutionary paint touch-up system.